So peas on day 3. I have just got this out and taken the covering off that was on it, and just going to feel in there to see if it's still sort of damp enough. You'll notice the peas would have dried out somewhat, and some of them are starting to sprout just here, you can see. So that's feeling a little bit dry there. You'll notice that these trays also absorb the water, so if you had them in a sort of standard flat, they wouldn't. The water would last a bit longer probably, again depending where you've got it in the house. Because that is looking a little bit light and a bit dry, see it's a bit crumbly to touch, I am going to give it another sprinkling of water. It's not going to harm it. Just be mindful, if you are putting these on work surfaces, painted work surfaces, they could mark it underneath because of the dampness. So I would always advise probably to put something underneath it, or again, if you've got a cupboard, a shelf, it doesn't matter, that's not a problem. So I'm just giving that a little bit more water, and then I'm going to replace the baking parchment that I used in there, and the second one with the tins in, to give it some more weight, to let them do their thing and check in a few days' time.